Hi guys, let's look at how to view the map via virtual machine. If you haven't installed the virtual machine, please refer to the corresponding file to install. After opening virtual machine, find the configured virtual machine file and extract it. Here I have done it before. Now return to virtual machine, click File and then Open. Select and open the offered virtual machine file. You can rename the virtual machine and change the path to store. Then click Import and wait for it to complete. Go on Configuring Network. Click Edit and select Virtual Machine Editor. Select Branch Mode Network. If it doesn't show up, please click Add Network to add a new network. Then set it as Branch Mode and make it branch to wireless adapter. Then click OK. After configuring, click Power on this virtual machine. Now click Hiwonder, input the password and press Enter. OK, right-click Desktop to open Terminal. Input the command to modify a file. The input command should be case-sensitive and tab key can be used to fill in keyword. After entering, press I to switch to the editing mode. Delete the pound key and space first. Then make sure the interface names of wireless adapter is correct. Open a new terminal, input the command and press Enter to check IP address. Now we can see its name is correct. Then press Enter. Input colon and WQ to exit. Then back to the system desktop. Open a terminal. Input command to stop auto store program. Before opening the map, two IP addresses need to be modified. Firstly, modify the robot IP address. Input command and press Enter. Next, modify the address of node publishing. Do not close or reopen a new terminal. In current terminal, input command Here tag tree mapping to check map as example. Then press Enter. Now back to virtual machine. Close this terminal and open a new terminal. Here will display the IP address. Input command and press Enter to view the mapping. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.